Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 1 plus 2 sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant. First derivative of sine x, you got about cosine x, and we put about dx. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by the u over number 2 because we have this one in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.